Deep in the heart of Siberia, there is an ancient, frozen secret. For centuries, the locals have witnessed lights that defy every law of nature. This is Surgut, a city known for its vast oil reserves, extreme cold, and a unique, terrifying...
These aren't atmospheric tricks. They are silent, luminous orbs, often blue. Unlike localized UFO events, the Surgut Lights have been consistently documented for hundreds of years, predating...
For the indigenous Khanty people, they are known as the spirits of the sky, an integral part of their folklore and a serious spiritual warning.
Today, Surgut is a key global energy hub. The lights are now frequently seen.
Scientists have struggled to label them. They reject simple explanations like ball lightning or geological... So, what is the true source? Is it a unique geological energy pocket? A long-term extraterrestrial? In this comprehensive investigation, we will break down the ancient accounts, the failed scientific studies.
The first detailed reports from early Russian explorers in the 19th century described them as celestial fireflies.
The sightings intensified significantly during the Soviet era, particularly when the region became crucial for resource extraction. Let's start at the very beginning, the terrifying local folklore and the early modern encounters that puzzled the explorers. Khanty shamans believed the lights were the souls of powerful ancestors, occasionally guiding travelers but often serving as malevolent warnings.
Folklore warns that to follow the light means certain death, as they are tricksters meant to lure unsuspecting Siberian.
A compelling 1908 account describes an orb watched for over an hour. It ascended silently, completely.
The officially atheist Soviet government suppressed all initial reports. Anything that couldn't be quantified was dismissed as mass hysteria.
Only with the massive 1960s expansion of the oil and gas infrastructure.
In a famous 1978 incident, an entire drilling crew watched a light descend and hover over their drill site.
The close proximity to the largest natural gas fields suggested a possible chemical explanation, leading us...
If it wasn't spirits, it had to be chemistry or geology. But what unique feature of the Surgut land could sustain this light show?
Soviet scientists and occultists were dispatched.
Their highly expensive and highly secretive data collection attempts in the unforgiving climate proved frustrating and often futile.
The immediate thought was ball lightning, but Surgut lights last too long, travel.
Theory 2. Tectonic stress. Massive pressure on underground quartz or rock could generate...
Flaw. Piezoelectric light typically remains close to the ground. Surgut lights are reported high in the air, flying at speed. Methane gas combustion was a strong suspect due to the region's industry. However, the lights are sustained, silent.
The leading, yet complex, scientific theory.
The area is confirmed to be a potent geomagnetic hotspot, which explains the interference with radios and compasses, but not the visible light.
Imaging heat.
Skeptics suggest the lights are psychological, visual hallucinations caused by the extreme isolation.
Flaw. The lights have been consistently reported by multiple, credible, and geographically separate witnesses at the exact same time and location.
The strongest evidence against natural causes is the movement. The lights perform maneuvers that
The strongest evidence against natural cause is the movement. After decades of intense, state-funded research, the official scientific conclusion was always a defeated one. Unknown origin.
With science hitting a wall, it was inevitable that the narrative would turn towards the sensational, UFOs and military secrets.
The leading conspiracy theory suggests the Surgut Lights are sophisticated surveillance probes, monitoring humanity.
Why Surgut? It's a key global energy link. Another theory. The lights are simply the visible energy output, the exhaust.
The intense secrecy surrounding the Soviet investigations strongly implies a deliberate, state-mandated cover-up to hide.
A dark theory connects the lights to the 1908 Tunguska event, suggesting they are residual energy.
Given the technology's complexity, the most powerful alternate theory, the lights are top-secret Russian plasma or...
The most pragmatic theory is a dual one, a powerful, natural geophysical anomaly that was strategically utilized.
We know the relation to an intense, persistent for decades. Crucially, the lights did not stop when the Soviet Union fell. They continue to be attempted today by
From ancient spirits to modern physics, no one has been able to provide a single, universally accepted explanation for the Surgut Lights.
We are left only with the mystery, shimmering silently in the eternal darkness of the Siberian winter.
We have consistent folklore, impossible maneuvers, a lack of heat, and intense government secrecy, all pointing to an unnatural phenomenon.
The Surgut Lights are a chilling reminder that, despite our advanced technology, massive...
Why did this phenomena choose this specific, desolate location?
What is your strongest theory? Don't miss our next deep dive into history's most fascinating unsolved riddles. Subscribe to JJ Whispered Depths.